Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Surbhi and today I will walk you through exactly what goes into developing a high-performing home services app. From must-have features to smart tech integration, estimated costs, and what's working in the market right now. Whether you're a startup founder or managing digital transformation for an enterprise, this will give you a clear picture before you invest. So let's start with the why. Why are home services apps booming? Well, we all want convenience at our fingertips, and so do your users. Booking a plumber, a cleaner, or even an AC repair shouldn't involve 5 calls and a WhatsApp follow-up, right? That's exactly why the home services market is exploding. So here's what's happening globally. The market grew from $4.6 billion in 2023 to $5.3 billion in 2024. That's a 14% jump in just 1 year. And it's expected to cross $9 billion by 2028. So whether you're launching a new platform or optimizing an existing one, there's a huge potential. So what makes a great home services app? To compete in this fast-growing space, you need more than just a booking engine. So let's talk about features that matter. For customers, simple login and onboarding, filterable service listings, real-time availability, geolocation and live tracking, ratings, reviews and support chat, in-app payments and invoices. For service providers, service request management, availability controls, route optimization and earnings dashboard. For admins, full control over users and providers, performance analytics, dispute resolution tools, dynamic pricing and offers. Basically, the entire ecosystem is connected and streamlined, which keeps both users and service providers happy. Now here's something exciting and a total game changer. High-performing apps now use AI-driven dispatch systems that auto-assign tasks to the best fit providers, optimize routes using real-time traffic data, predict demand spikes, and redistribute workforce, reduce travel time and idle hours, saving time and cost. For example, companies that implemented smart dispatching reported higher job completion rates and lower operational costs. This kind of predictive automation not only improves service delivery, but it also builds trust and reliability, which customers value the most. Now let's answer the big question. How much does it cost to build a home services app? MVP version takes about 4 to 6 weeks, starts at $5,000 to $15,000, covers the essentials: booking, payment, push notifications, and basic admin controls. Full-featured app takes around 8 to 12 weeks and costs between $20,000 to $35,000. Enterprise-level platform takes 12 plus weeks, starts at $40,000. Think advanced. Third-party integrations, multi-language support, AI-powered automation, and high scalability. Keep in mind, the final cost always depends on your specific features, UI/UX design, and third-party APIs. At AppTunix, we have built over 1,000 plus on-demand apps across 10 plus industries. We work with startups, enterprises, and everything in between. And we know how to launch platforms that scale. We'd love to help you bring your idea to life. So if you're ready to get started, book a free consultation with our experts today. Link is in the description below.